Welcome to Growth Brain. This is your AI strategy assistant inside B2B Growth Kit. Growth Brain takes your setup, ICP, lead signals, and previous reports, then turns them into a clear operating view. It helps you understand what to sharpen, what could slow your growth, and what you should do next. One important note, Growth Brain is a planning and reporting area. You can review and edit the content here for your own strategy, but anything you edit inside Growth Brain will not change your main setup, ICP, agents, or other AI features. On the left side, you'll find the main Growth Brain sections. Market intelligence gives you competitor snapshots, market trends, and new opportunities tailored to your business. ICP and Personas is the targeting foundation. It shows who you are selling to, what they care about, and how Growth Brain thinks about each persona. Launch Blueprint gives you a phased go-to-market roadmap with goals, milestones, and risks you can actually execute. Growth Roadmap turns that into a marketing plan covering channels, activities, and the KP. Outreach Playbook gives you ready-to-use first messages and follow-ups, tuned for each persona and channel. And Content Arsenal gives you content pillars, post ideas, hooks, and angles you can publish this week. So instead of starting from a blank page, Growth Brain gives you a clear strategy base for your market, outreach, and content. Use it when you need direction, ideas, or a smarter next move.